let's officially start. Find our Nova LC software, double-click to open it, then select User Login. Select the first one, Synchronization Advanced Login. The password is 666. Then click Login. Select Login. Wait for the software to recognize our process. Then double-click the display configuration. Select Next. Go to the Screen Connection tab. Click the Configure button in the top right corner. Based on our Action Cabinet layout, set it to 3 columns and 2 rows. Then click Enable Mapping on the screen. The relative position of the receiving cards will be displayed according to the resolution loaded by each receiving card. We enter 168 by 168 according to the position of the receiving card on the screen. Make a connection diagram according to Gene 001, 002, 3, and 004 and 5 for in the corresponding numbers. And doing on the connection interface. Changing the size of the lost box to 336. Leave the corresponding positions blank by checking the empty button and set its height to 0. Then turn off mapping. Publish our connection diagram to the larger screen. Wait for it to complete. OK, now the connection diagram is sent. The screen should properly display the size of our computer desktop. OK, it's done. We will show the first signal source, quick switch. Now it shows the HDMI 2 signal. We press HDMI 1. The large screen will switch to HDMI signal display. We switch to HDMI 3. The large screen displays HDMI 3 signal. Switch back to HDMI 2. The HDMI 2 signal on the big screen. Next, we will demonstrate displaying 3 layers simultaneously. This is our first window, which shows HDMI 2 signal. We press Layer 2 to turn on HDMI 1 screen. We press Layer 3 and click OK. We change its input source to HDMI 3 and switch the stats to on. Now the larger screen shows 3-layer overlay signal display. We can turn off the corresponding layer according to the stage. Now it shows the signal layer. Now we will show the brightness control. The card brightness is 50%. We can press the OK button and rotate the knob to increase or decrease the brightness. We can adjust the brightness to 10%. Press the OK button to apply the volume. We can also set the brightness back to 100% by entry 100 and press the OK button. The brightness value is modified to 100%. Next, we will show the USB signal switching. Press the menu key. Scroll to USB playback settings. Press the OK button. In the menu, we can switch videos here, or picture playback, and switch time special effects, and the video value. Next, we will show the full screen and point-to-point switching. The larger screen displays the point-to-point signal. The picture is not full screen. Press the scale button. The big screen displays full screen. It can be switched according to the print signal. Different signal sources are of full screen display. Next, we will show the locking function. Press and hold the knife and EHC simultaneously for 5 seconds. The process is locked. Press the knob and EHC button again. The process is unclogged. Next, we will demonstrate the quick multi-preset switch function. Press the preset switch button, as you can see. We are currently using the first preset, which is a full-screen display. We can switch to preset 2 by rotating the knob. Now the larger screen displays a dual window layout. Rotate the knob to preset 3. Press the OK button to load it. Now the screen displays a 3-window layout. We can rotate the knob back to 1. Press the OK button to load preset 1. It returns to our signal screen display. Next, we will show the image freeze function. We can locate the image freeze button on the panel. Press the button, and the screen will freeze the current frame. Press the button to unfreeze the image, and the screen displays normally.